Oh.
Hi guys.
How you doing? Oh, that's the idea. Seems fairly solid.
Where you guys did that from? My daughter's got Nigerian borscht. Oh, yeah. They're in the back though because when they're out, they eat everything up here. And I said, "Stay in the back."
Okay, well,
All right, guys. Well,
thank you
enjoy
very
your
much.
trailer.
Have a good day.
Yep. Have a good one. Yeah, you guys too.
I'm like trying to fucking push the button on. Oh yeah, my new one. See, I was thinking that a dumpster would be crazier, but holy, careful. And it is for certain things, but tires and rims, this should be a little better, I think. But yeah. Time for a secondary breakfast. Secondary how much or something, but getting her whittled. Might be 2 loads, still got that full. But yeah. Get rid of some of these here tires, make some room for some activities, you know. Weather's cooling down a little bit too, so might be able to get something done on this here soon. Got undercoatings too, and I got this metal in the way and stuff. It'd be nice if it was on the walls, but away she goes. All but 3, 4. But the dumpster's full too, so we'll just transfer that. Different things, it'll be awesome. Dumpster's good for some stuff, but also not really. I should try to sell it.
We did it.
Yeah.
Oh, that shitter. Holy excellent.
Take a good toke of it. It's Donaker fumes. You looking? Uh-huh.
Just do 4 trips instead of 2.
Are you attacking me? I'm gonna give you pats. I'm gonna give you pats. Oh look, I'm giving you pats. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, you found one.
I don't see any,
It's a nice chicken.
Look at his feet.
No, Now lick your fingers.
It's a good girl.
Who's a good chicken? And who's a bad chicken? Who's a bad chicken?
Oh, those are my toenails.
Are you freaking out?
The speckled ones are the most. Come on, are you going to have fart out a baby? Go poop out breakfast.
Oh no. My good one. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe instead of putting friggin' SRT hoods on my truck, I should maybe fix the friggin' box. Well, I guess it was the other truck anyway. But I got an SRT hood for this one too. It's white, so I gotta paint it. It's because it's white. That's why I gotta paint it. I don't drive white trucks. The black ones, the green ones. Yeah, this trailer was a good buy. I got the license plate onwood, friggin' David Frings all sorted out. Took 2 loads of tires in. Gonna load her up with the Rimberlinis. A bunch of the Rimberlinis. Got a bunch of Rimberlinis over here too. We are hauling in some Rimberlinis. Be awesome. Be awesome. Oh great, who's this? What happened, Chippy?
I'm being safe. You should pull up this way a little bit more so we can drop the hatch and walk up it for the first little bit. Bisha's mom, Charlie.
That's not Bisha's mom.
Look at my boots.
Oh, it's the boots!
It's like I can walk without being, ouch, 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 ouch. Fuck, ouch. Because they don't hurt my feet.
Yeah.
I got real boots.
Why didn't you just wear your flick-flocks? Pinch your set. Oh.
Safety tip, tip.
Frig, I just realized I already fixed this. Hey, that's that. Oh no. Inwood rockers only last about 2 years, and then the 3rd year they just fall right out. Yeah, I think I made a good buy. She's pretty heavy duty, not rotten, not even rotten. Eh? Not even rotten, is it, Tippy? Should go in the Donaker. Scared?
Well, it reeks from 20 feet away, so I can't even imagine
put your pants down and go in there.
Hmm?
Put your pants down and go in there.
No, I wouldn't even
Give yourself
go
a power stroke.
in there if there was a reason to pull my pants down.
Yeah, just about got through this pile, so maybe we'll be able to get, let's see how many we got over here. We'll have to take this one in the morning and come back load her up again, I think. Do the old tandem load ski. It'd be nice if it was a little bit taller, but I don't think she's gonna have the weight capacity. Oh yeah, we got another 2 loads over here. Holy shnikes, and then a bunch of steel rims too. Ay ay ay. It's gonna be at least a 3-load day tomorrow. It'll be a 3-load day tomorrow, Tippy.
What
Hey, you ever took 3 loads in one day?
And soon, when we start driving my truck.
Your truck?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if Timmy's took 3 loads in one day yet or not. Probably. Bite him! Bite him! Ooh, careful. Startled me. A little startled. I need to put a screw in that. Holy shit, is that ever. We got a situation with the tire?
Seems very low and bold.
Yeah, we gotta give her the breathair test.
Just found a hornet nest.
Eat it.
They're in there too, so be careful.
Want to see me get stung?
Yeah. And
What do you mean?
I don't know why I didn't start wearing these beforehand. Look, they come with like little handy straps for your glasses and different types of.
Yeah, you should wear that all the time.
That looks a tad more safe.
Enough. What are you, Miss Safety Enthusiast now?
Haven't I
Good
always
Lord.
been fucking safety Sally Susie pants?
Very much.
I remember you calling me the house cops.
Roger.
Roger. Well, kept you safe a few times, I'm sure. We should put a tarp over that to hide it.
Because it's what, good stuff?
Mhm.
Holy. That's great. That's really great. Lemon. America? It's like a mini America, you bessin'. Freaking bessin'. Good loud. They don't even have a friggin' thing to tell you how much you weigh here. Okay. Hey there, boss. Right on, thank you very much. All right.
That's cool.
Yeah,
What's that for? Riding your bike?
never know what happens.
True. London's getting big now.
Can you see his plate number from there? Back up. I need your plate number.
Cammy 813. Whew. Gotta study for this test. Number 2 copper, $4.10.
Oh, yeah?
Number 1's over 5.
Holy.
Yep.
Scores.
Oh, God, regret.
Pardon me? Right on. Right on, thanks a lot.
It's ridiculous.
No, they've shielded themselves from all liability.
Oh, great. Canine unit. Canine 6. Holy shit! You're messing. This one feels a little heavier, boys, but we don't have the number to yell out, so we really don't know. Oh, you back, buddy? What happened? Nothing. Yeah. Payday today. That.
There you go.
I know, man. Much obliged.
Thank you.
See you later.